Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Young Electric Hitch Mount Bike Rack. This rack is built to handle the extra weight of e-bikes with a robust steel frame that ensures durability and stability. The ramp feature is a standout, allowing for effortless loading and unloading, especially for heavier bikes. The construction feels solid, with a black powder-coated finish that offers protection against rust and weather. The rack accommodates various bike frame styles and wheel sizes, making it versatile for e-bikes, mountain bikes, and road bikes. The anti-wobble mechanism ensures that bikes remain stable during transit, even on rough roads. The rack includes adjustable straps and secure tie-down points, ensuring bikes are held firmly in place. The padded cradles protect the bike frames from scratches during transit, while the anti-wobble system prevents excessive movement. This combination of features provides peace of mind that your bikes will arrive safely regardless of the terrain. This bike rack fits any vehicle with a 2-inch hitch receiver, making it versatile across a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs, RVs, and trailers. Its compatibility with e-bikes is especially valuable, as many racks cannot accommodate their weight. While the rack is sturdy and capable, its size and weight reflect its heavy-duty nature. It is foldable for storage, but due to its solid construction, it may still require a bit of effort to move or store in smaller spaces. The integrated ramp is a game changer. For individuals who may struggle to lift heavy e-bikes, the ramp allows bikes to be rolled onto the rack effortlessly. Our second best rack for e-bike is Vibrelli Hitch Bike Rack. The Vibrelli Hitch Bike Rack is a well-engineered solution for transporting 2 e-bikes or other heavy bikes with ease and security. With a weight capacity of 65 pounds per bike and compatibility with fat tire, mountain, road, and electric bikes, it's a versatile option for avid cyclists. Its standout features include a patented anti-wobble system, tilting design, and foldable platform, making it a top choice for cars and SUVs with a 2-inch receiver. The rack feels solid and durable, crafted from heavy-duty materials to support the added weight of e-bikes. Its platform-style design ensures bikes stay stable and secure, even on rough roads. The black powder-coated finish provides excellent resistance to corrosion and weathering, ensuring longevity. The adjustable wheel cradles fit a range of tire sizes, including fat tires up to 5 inches wide, which is great for diverse bike styles. The tilting feature allows for easy trunk access without removing the bikes, a thoughtful addition for road trips or errands. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions included. The patented anti-wobble mechanism minimizes bike movement during transit, making for a quiet and stress-free drive. Bikes are secured with ratcheting arm clamps and straps, ensuring they remain firmly in place. The foldable platform is a bonus for storage when the rack isn't in use, and the tilting mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, even when fully loaded. Whether you're heading to the mountains, a cycling trail, or just around town, the Vibrelli Hitch Bike Rack delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Third pick in our list is CyberRack E2 Hitch 2E Bike Rack with Ramp. If you're in the market for a robust, user-friendly e-bike rack with practical features like a loading ramp and foldable design, the CyberRack E2 delivers excellent value. The CyberRack E2 impresses with its solid construction, using high-quality materials to handle the heavy weight of 2 e-bikes securely. The rack is designed to be weather-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance in various conditions. Its platform-style build provides excellent stability, while the black powder-coated finish resists corrosion. The foldable ramp is a standout feature, making it significantly easier to load and unload heavy e-bikes without lifting, which is a game-changer for users with heavier models. This rack is user-friendly, with a tool-free installation that simplifies the setup process. The inclusion of the ramp allows for smooth and effortless bike loading, even for heavier bikes. Adjustable wheel cradles and straps ensure a snug and secure fit for various bike sizes, including fat tire models. The folding mechanism for storage is intuitive, and the rack can tilt to allow trunk access without the need to remove the bikes, adding convenience for road trips or daily use. E-bike rack is an outstanding option for those who prioritize convenience, durability, and versatility in a bike carrier. Its ramp system and high weight capacity make it particularly suited for e-bike users, while its Number 4 in our side is Waze Hitch Bike Rack. Whether you're planning a road trip or just need a reliable way to transport your bikes, this rack has you covered. The Waze rack provides excellent stability during transit. The wobble-free mechanism and adjustable tie-down straps hold bikes securely in place, preventing shifting or scratching. It's well suited for long trips, ensuring your bikes arrive safely at your destination. The Waze bike rack stands out with its heavy-duty steel construction, ensuring durability and stability during transport. The anti-rust coating provides resistance to weather elements, extending its lifespan. The wobble-free hitch connection is a notable feature, reducing bike movement and ensuring a more secure ride even on uneven roads. Its folding design allows the rack to be compact when not in use, making it easy to store. The tilt function is another highlight, providing convenient access to the vehicle's trunk without the need to remove the bikes. This rack is straightforward to set up and use, even for beginners. The smart tilting mechanism simplifies the loading and unloading process, while adjustable wheel holders and ratcheting straps ensure a snug fit for various bike sizes. The rack's ability to accommodate tires up to 5 inches wide makes it ideal for fat tire bikes and e-bikes. While it may be bulkier than some other racks, Number 5 in our top 5 best rack for e-bike list is Tank's Bike Racks for e-bikes. This rack excels in stability thanks to its anti-wobble hitch connection and durable straps. It keeps bikes firmly in place even on bumpy roads, ensuring peace of mind during long trips. The 160 pounds capacity easily supports 2 heavy e-bikes or a combination of different bike types, making it a versatile option for various cycling needs. The Tank's Bike Rack for e-bikes is a robust and user-friendly solution for transporting up to 2 bikes, including heavy e-bikes and fat tire bikes. With a 160 pounds capacity, 80 pounds per bike, and compatibility with a 2-inch receiver hitch, this rack is designed for stability, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for cyclists who need a reliable and durable bike transport system. The Tank's rack is built with heavy-duty steel for excellent durability and stability, even under heavy loads. Its anti-wobble design ensures a secure attachment to your vehicle, reducing bike movement during transit.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.